Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, for this part 2, Earth as a sphere, I'm going to explain about two subtopic only. The first one is difference between two longitudes and the second one difference between two latitudes. And just to remind you, for this longitudes and latitude, you just need to remember the two word here, okay? And from this word, just remember love won't end, okay? And this says la, just plus with ns, lands, it will be lands, okay? So for longitudes it will involve this west and east, while for latitudes it will involve the north and south. So don't worry, when you see the questions, just identify whether it is west east or north south. Okay, so if west or east, it will involve longitudes, while north and south, it will involve latitudes. Okay, let's check it out. For the first one, difference between two longitudes, remember, love won't end. It will involve west and east. Still remember, for west and east, what shape that I need to draw. Bahasa Melayu senang ingat, iaitu buat bentuk T, sebab ada barat dan timur. T besar, okay, and on your left side will be your west and your right side will be your east, and this will be 0 degree or else it will be Greenwich meridian. Can't remember that, it's okay as long as you know, oh yang tengah ni it must be 0 degree, okay, because apa-apa any angles you will start from 0 degree. Okay, then I'll give you example. Okay, the longitude of A is 20 degree west, longitude of B is 30 degree west. Okay, so what is the difference between these two longitude? Okay, it's just like you have 40 ringgit, okay, and your brother have 20 ringgit. So what is the difference between your money and your brother? So it will be 40 minus 20. This one also will be like that, but you have to draw it clearly so that you won't get confused whether you want to minus or you want to plus, because a certain case you need to plus. Okay, so when is it that you need to plus? You'll see from here. So here it is A 20 degree west. So from this Greenwich meridian, you need to go to 20 degree. So this is A, longitude of A, while B is 30 degree west. So from 0 degree, okay, it will move to the left and it will be 30 degree. Okay, it's just a sketch, okay, not exactly a 30 degree. Then what is the difference? This word difference means, okay, you need to find this. How are you going to find this? Yes, you have to minus. So the difference, okay, the difference between A and B, okay, equals to 30 minus 20 degree, so it will be 10 degree only. Next, second one might be longitude of C and D. 40 degree is, another one is 60 degree east. Remember, longitude, love, it involves west and east. Love won't end. It involves low. Love won't end. So it will be west and east. T shape. Okay, on your left will be west, on your right east, and this one will be 0 degree. Then longitude C is 40 degree east. So east you must go to the right. Okay, from this, just catch it, 40 degree C, and the second one D is 60 degree east. 60 degree So move from 0 degree to this side. Okay, it will be 60 degree. So what is the difference here? Okay, what is the difference between C and D? So how are you going to determine it? Yes. So how is it? Difference C and D will be equals to 60. Of course lah, the big value will minus the small value. Okay, and the difference is 20 degree. Okay, and the last example, it might be longitude of K and L, which is K equals to 20 degree west and L 50 degree east. Okay, not all difference you must minus. Okay, for this case, it's better you draw it. It involve west and east, bentuk T besar, and then 0 degree here, this west, this east. Oh, before I forget, for longitude it might be until 180. Okay, it might be until here, more than it, like this. Okay, it might be. So don't worry, you just need to remember this T. The most important thing is I want you to know whether it is on your left side or your right side. Okay, so for this case, K is 20 degree west, so going to where? Yeah, going to the left. It will be 20 degree. And how about L? 50 degree is? Yes, it going to right. Sketch. Okay, so this one will be 50 degree is. Yeah, so now what is the difference between this K and L? The difference is this. So how are you going to do it? Yes, you have to plus. Means the difference between K and L will be equals to 20 plus 50 degree. So the difference is 70 degree. Maybe you might remember, oh, if it is same, you need to minus. If it is different, you need to plus. But I'm quite worried that you might got wrong. Okay, so it's better you just catch like this. There's no nobody will scold you. Just catch and remember how to find the difference between the two longitude. Okay, okay, this is one example. Okay, we have L and N, a town which has this value: 20 degree west, 55 degree east, 40 degree south. And the question is, find the difference. Okay, find the difference between the longitude of town L and town M. Yeah, I know we have three values. Which value that you want to use? Remember, okay, important keywords for this, the longitude. Okay, remember, if it's long, L-O, low. Okay, it will be love won't end. Love won't end. So it will involve west and east. Now, which one has west or east? Will be this 2. Okay, so this one, this 40 degrees south, no, don't worry about it. Okay, you just take care of these two value. Those who need to sketch it first. Okay, because here you will see clearly what you're going to do, whether you're going to plus or minus. Okay, the first one is 20 degree west, so it'll be your left 20 degree. Okay, this will be L. And another one, M, is 55 degree is. Oh, is going to right 55. This is M. Okay, what is the difference between these 2 points? Means you have to know this angle. So what you going to do? Yes, you're going to plus it. So the difference is 55 plus 20 degree. So it will be 75 degree. Easy, right? Now I'll explain about difference between two latitudes. Remember, la. Just add up, become lens. So it will involve north and south. Okay, don't worry. If you see north and south, it will involve latitudes. And latitude, you need to draw like this T, but dia terbalik. Okay, and this one akan jadi north, and the below one will be south. And this will be the equator. So for the first example, latitude of A equals to 20 degree north, and B I have 15 degree north. What is the difference? Yeah, maybe certain of you can just imagine it and just do it. Okay, but then there's among of you can't imagine it, so it's better you draw like what I draw here. Okay, so now latitude A is 20 degree north, so north will be upper. Okay, above this 0 degree, A will be 20 degree. This is A, while B is 15 degree only. So 15 degree will be less than that. Okay, it might be here. This is B. This is 15 degree. So difference means what? Yeah, difference between these two means it just need this, the purple color. Okay, the angle there. So what you going to do? Yeah, it will be 20 minus 15. That will be 5 degree. And then now, second question. Latitude of C equals to 30 degree south, and D will be 85 degrees south. So how are you going to do this? Latitude means T terbalik. Okay, so be T like this. Sorry. So here 0 degree, the equator, remember this is north, it is south. C is 30 degrees south, so going to be below of the equator, 30 degree. This is C. And how about D? It is 85. Yeah, so it will be near to this south pole. Okay, so this one will be 85. And the question is difference between C and D. Difference between C and D. So definitely this one, the value. Okay, so how are you going to do it? Difference will be equals to 85 minus 30. So it will be 55 degree. Very easy, right? Okay, and the last one, it might be latitude of J and K, which J is 30 degree north, and another one 45 degrees south. Okay, so how are you going to remember the difference? Remember how you're going to do it? Yeah, T terbalik, 0 degree, the equator, the north and the south. And as you realize, actually for latitude, the highest angle is only 90 degree. Okay, because starting from here to here, okay, to the south pole will be 90, and and from the equator to the north pole also will be 90. Okay, so you won't see value more than 90 degree. So J, back to our question, J is 30 degree north and K is 45 degree. Okay, this will be 45. Okay, so now what is the difference between this J and K? Yes, you must know this angle. So how are you going to do it? Yes, you're going to plus it. Okay, difference will be equals to 30 plus 45. Then the answer will be 75 degree. Very easy. Okay, this is one example of questions that you can see. Wow, looks difficult, but actually it's not really difficult. Okay, now identify. The question is find the latitude of M. Find latitude of M. Okay, it's involve latitude, so just remember lens means it involve north or south. Okay, so if there's any information about north or south, so that is the information that you need. Okay, and for this question we only have one information, that is 60 degree north. So what you're going to write down here, just catch like this, because latitude T terbalik, 0 degree, this is north, this is south. Don't worry. Okay, now what you know is R only. Okay, so this R equals to 60 degree, but we don't know M, right? But then it tells you that RM equals to MS. MS means until the south pole, means that from R to S. Okay, it's going to have two parts, two equal parts. So what is the angle here from 0 degree to S? Yeah, it will be 90. 90 plus 60, it will be equals to 150 degree. Okay, oh, so the total will be 150 degree. It is two equal parts, so what you should do? Yeah, you just need to divide it by 2. Okay, so after you divide it by 2, you'll get 75. Means that from R to M will be 75 degree. So from this R to M, it will be 75 degree. So if you be until here, it will be 60 only. So it must be more than that, so it will be below. So here I'll write down here, it might be here. Okay, so this will be your M, and this, the total for this will be 75. 75, how are you going to get that 75? 60 plus what? Yeah, you just need to plus 15 degree there. So can you get the latitude of M now? Yes, it will be 15 degree, and it's below of the equator, so 15 degree south. Very simple, right? Okay, hopefully you can do the exercise that I'll give afterwards. Thank you. Bye bye.